high. No, you can't hide now, sweetie. Now all the guys just doing
it. It is big.
It's very big. Ryan. There's a rainbow.
Ryan, come on back here.
See the rainbow?
Ryan, do you see the rainbow? Go to Daddy. Daddy's gonna show you the rainbow.
Right there.
Going across now? Here, put my sunglasses.
Right there. It's going away.
See it on the left? Right over the guy's head.
You gotta have the wind blow the other way to see the rainbow again.
Sit down here. Watch the geyser. Watch the geyser, Ryan.
Okay, you wanna go back in the backpack then?
No.
Watch the geyser. Stop playing with the backpack. You understand? You know, you were good. You said you were gonna be good, and you weren't.
Watch it go
I'm kind of
down.
disappointed with you, Roman.
I'm gonna sit on the bed.
Then sit.
Alright.
Ryan, no.